Hello everyone. Today I will share the high altitude layering technology, propagating guava trees. Quickly grow guava trees with potted plants. First, from the guava tree planted in the ground, select the vigorous upper branches as layering. Require branches with 3-4 branches on selected branches. After selecting the branches to be laminated, next is the pressing operation. 360-degree wrapping from a position below the branch. Boost wound healing with onion natural hormones. And root quickly. Cut watermelon in half. Scoop out the pulp. Mix the soil into a slurry. Fill watermelon husks with soil. Attach the watermelon shell filled with soil to the branch. Insert two bamboo sticks and fix it. Just put on the tape. "50 days later, new shoots, leaves and roots have grown. See here, believe in your youth. Light up the little red heart to support me. Then you can cut it off. Plant it in pots. Adding leaves to the soil can be turned into a nutrient supply. In order to ensure the survival rate of later transplanting, organic soil is recommended. Because the soil is loose and breathable, good for long-term water retention, transplanting soil is important. How to make soil in my previous video. Follow me and never miss previous sharing. You can also learn various planting tips that are updated every day. Leave a message in the comment area if you have any questions. Next, I will share the use of natural aloe vera hormone, best ways to graft avocados, new technology for early fruiting of dwarf plants. In the end, you will gain a lot. Please see the operation below. First, cut a healthy and disease-free avocado branches. Applying aloe vera capsules can heal wounds quickly. Dipped in root powder, coconut shell filled with soil. Put the excess aloe vera capsules into the soil. Insert avocado sprigs. Glue covered with tape for protection. Put it in the shade. 50 days later, has grown new shoots and leaves and large white roots. See here, believe in your youth. Light up the little red heart to support me. It can be planted in pots. It is recommended to use organic nutrient soil because the soil is loose and breathable, good for long-term water retention. Transplanting soil is important. Later, in order to allow its rapid growth, it is necessary to apply organic fertilizers such as hard work or human manure. Pay attention to my previous sharing. I also learned various planting tips that are updated every day. Leave a message in the comment area with questions, fruit tree grafting, or advantages of cuttings. It is an excellent trait that can maintain ear formation, improve dwarf plants. Early results. Next, I will share with you how to grow guava trees easily. Like it every day. First, cut and turn 16 vertical branches. Remove all excess leaves. Scrape with the direction. Potting mix garden soil 75% compost 25%. usually planted in mixed soil. Add water. Now the final task is to overwrite the jar. Put the pot in the shade. Lizard sprouts after 35 days. Please give me a like in front of the screen, follow me and never miss previous sharing. You can also learn various planting techniques that are updated every day. Leave a message in the comment area if you have any questions or do not understand. Next, I continue share how to layer panchi in the air, a new technology of grafting pomegranate to plant guava. Simple and easy to understand dry goods. First, on a guava branch, cut above the nodes with a knife. After cutting half the depth, use a knife to slowly cut upwards, about 6 centimeters in length. Lightly scraped off the bark. Take out the prepared bananas. Cut off one end with a knife. Insert the banana into the branch you just divided. Be careful not to break the branch when inserting. Fill the soil with the prepared mineral water bottle. Insert a branch with bananas. Cover agent. Be careful not to break the branches. Leave the rest to time. "60 days later, at this time, you can see the grafted branches already survived. Then cut and remove. Remove the water bottle to clear it, seeing that the branches have grown a lot of new roots. Then transplant it into a pot. In order to ensure the survival rate of the later generation, are generally planted on soil. This minimizes root damage. How to make soil in my previous video. Follow me and never miss previous sharing. You can also learn various planting techniques that are updated every day. Leave a message in the comment area if you have any questions or do not understand. See you next time.